In this lesson, we will explore inventory risk management and mitigation, a critical discipline in supply chain and operations management that focuses on identifying, assessing, and minimizing risks associated with holding, moving, and managing inventory. Every organization faces uncertainty in demand, supply, and operations, and managing these risks effectively ensures business continuity, customer satisfaction, and financial stability. Inventory risks can arise from multiple sources. On the demand side, inaccurate forecasts, sudden market changes, or customer behavior shifts can lead to overstocking or stockouts. On the supply side, disruptions such as supplier failures, transportation delays, or geopolitical events can interrupt material flow. Internal risks, including data errors, theft, or equipment breakdowns, also contribute to inventory uncertainty. The first step in inventory risk management is risk identification. Companies must map out their entire inventory process, from procurement and storage to distribution, to pinpoint where vulnerabilities exist. Common risks include excess stock, obsolescence, perishability, supplier dependency, and logistics interruptions. Each of these can have a significant impact on cash flow, operational performance, and customer trust. Once risks are identified, the next step is risk assessment and prioritization. Businesses analyze the likelihood and potential impact of each risk using tools such as risk matrices and scenario analysis. This helps determine which risks require immediate attention and which can be managed through standard procedures. Quantitative techniques like Monte Carlo simulations or sensitivity analysis can model different risk scenarios and help decision makers prepare for uncertainty. Mitigation strategies are then developed to minimize the probability or impact of these risks. One of the most effective approaches is demand forecasting improvement. Leveraging data analytics, AI, and machine learning allows companies to predict demand fluctuations more accurately and plan inventory levels accordingly. Another strategy is supplier diversification, avoiding over-reliance on a single supplier or geographic region. Establishing relationships with multiple vendors ensures flexibility in case of disruption. Maintaining safety stock is another key tactic, serving as a buffer against demand spikes or supply delays. However, safety stock should be calculated carefully to balance protection with cost efficiency. Dynamic safety stock models adjust buffer levels automatically based on real-time variability and service level targets. Risk-sharing agreements can also strengthen resilience. In vendor-managed inventory, VMI, or consignment models, suppliers share responsibility for maintaining stock, reducing the buyer's exposure to risk. Similarly, insurance policies can protect against specific risks such as theft, damage, or natural disasters. Technology plays a vital role in risk mitigation. Real-time inventory tracking using RFID, IoT sensors, and cloud-based management platforms provides visibility across the supply chain. Early warning systems can alert managers to potential issues, such as delayed shipments or declining supplier performance, enabling proactive intervention. Predictive analytics helps anticipate disruptions before they occur, allowing for timely corrective action. Operational agility is another key factor. Companies that adopt flexible production, adaptive procurement, and responsive logistics systems can quickly adjust to changes in demand or supply conditions. For example, agile manufacturers can switch production lines or reallocate inventory between regions based on real-time insights. Finally, continuous monitoring and review are essential. Inventory risks evolve with market conditions, technology, and global events. Regular audits, KPI tracking, and post-incident analysis ensure that risk management strategies remain relevant and effective. In summary, inventory risk management and mitigation are about building resilience into every layer of the supply chain. By identifying potential risks, assessing their impact, and implementing proactive mitigation strategies, organizations can safeguard operations, reduce financial losses, and maintain customer trust. In an increasingly uncertain global environment, effective risk management is not just a defensive measure, it's a competitive advantage.